Space is a very important consideration when it comes to urban gardening. Obviously, you cannot plant a mango tree if you're only planning to garden in a small balcony. For this case, start small. Plant herbs and leafy greens as these are the easiest and require little space. If you don't have land, you can plant in containers. So know your limits. Space is by far the biggest limitation when it comes to this hobby. And of course, vertical farming is always an option. Consider the position of your space. The best spot to garden is south-facing for the northern hemisphere, as this has the most sun. If your garden is west-facing, where the afternoon sun radiates, plant heat-tolerant varieties on that part. In the east-facing, where it gets morning sun, you can plant some leafy greens or herbs where the sun is least dense. Also, know how many hours of sun your space gets. You may use a sun tracker apps such as this one and research which crops grow best in those areas. Check also your climate. Know which families of vegetables can grow in certain months to avoid most pest attacks or other problems like bolt, frost, or diseases. As an addition, there are a lot of plant varieties, so I highly suggest you to do your own research. You cannot plant lowland varieties if you're living in a cold climate, and the same is true if you have upland varieties. You cannot plant those if you are in a warm region. Lastly, take notes on what vegetables, herbs, or fruits you consume the most. Use the considerations I said to choose which crops to start. Do not waste money in produce or varieties you will not consume. So save those for later once your priorities get settled. So those are my top considerations when it comes to starting an urban garden. And as usual, thank you guys for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and sharing this to your friends. If you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe. If you want to see our Facebook page, I'll put the link in the description below. This is At Cashel, signing out.